Alright, here's part 3 of that paper towel lab. Got my robot in the background, my code up and running in the foreground, and I'll get it started. Okay, so we need now is to figure out this dial switch here called a potentiometer. On my screen here, it's reading potentiometer is reading as 0. My line follower is reading at 3030 some. I can dim that, and it's going to run and do its thing. The touch switch shows a 0. It shows a 1 when it's hit, 0 when it's let go. Potentiometer at a 0. All right. If I turn this dial here and I spin it, it's going to range from 0. It slowly climbs up, and it maxes out at its full open at 4090. Full close at 0. So I want my robot to send 3 different sizes of paper towels when it's going to where to go? All right, when it runs. So if I reset my robot, here we have the low setting. I'm at 0. Not sure why the number went away. I'm gonna go up to a medium level, reset it, run it. So it runs a bit longer. Go to the full open setting, reset it, try it again. So here we got to figure out how can we have it where it dispenses the A size, B size, and C size paper. I've set up my motor speeds and my motor wait time to match that paper length of A size, B size, and C size. All right. So the code now is kind of a tricky code, but it's just not too bad of a code. Let's look at it once. Here I have my I call my hand sensor hand. It's a analog switch, a line follower. I call my potentiometer the dial, analog switch. It's called potentiometer. And this is my touch switch called reset. Motor is called Steve. So again, the code to it looks a lot like your basic coding or your paper towel lab part 2. Same task main, same bracket, same while, same bracket, same first code until light. That's same so far. Scroll down a bit. Here's gets more complicated. All right. So here I have an if statement. I'm saying if the sensor value, which is this guy right here, if this sensor value is less than 10, so my full off position, oh, I have dead battery. Dead battery. Full off position, less than 10, it's going to run the motor to dispense the C size paper. So it's if sensor value of my dial potentiometer is less than 10, bracket and bracket. Start the motor, wait, stop the motor. Okay, that's the same. Down a little bit. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Now more complicated. Now I'm saying if parenthesis, 2 of them has to go here. So I have it. This here is like an and statement. So if sensor value is bigger than 10 and sensor value is less than 4,000. So I'm anywhere not on 0 and not full open. If sensor value is bigger than 10 and double ands less than 4,000, then it's going to bracket, start, run for my B size paper, and stop. My third one is for that A size paper. If that sensor value, this guy here again, is bigger than 4,000, so it's full open, then it does its A size paper. So there's the code. I think the battery might have died. Maybe not. Try it again. Cue it up. We'll push start. So if I go to full close, this is my short paper, my C size paper. So it's short. Reset, short. If I go to my medium size paper, it runs a medium code. See it there, medium code. Reset, medium code. And then my full open one, there it is. Reset, runs the long one. So the program kind of thinks. It decides. It says, what's that value of the sensor? If it's there, do that. Otherwise, if there, do that. Otherwise, if there, do that. Again, these brackets are crucial to have them set up. Task main gets a bracket. The while gets a bracket. The ifs get a bracket. They get a left and a right. Here's a left, left, left. And there's a right for that if, the new if, the new left and right bracket, a new if, new left and right bracket. And here I'm closing out my while bracket. I scroll down further, task main bracket. They're all there. There's part 3. Good luck.